It is indeed a very big day for Dabolim Airport. People were yearning for an app-based taxi. We had stopped it some time ago for different reasons. And then, through the social media, to interactions with public, through print, only one voice was there. When are we going to have the app-based taxis, cheap transport for the people of Goa? This has been going on for quite some time. I know in the past we had only prepaid taxis here. We have to move with the times. Today in the digital world, just yesterday, I had the proud privilege of being present for a digital unit being inaugurated, where 75 such digital banking units were inaugurated by none other than Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. He wants our country to be in tune with the rest of the world. He wants the big digital footprint. He wants simplification. And here in Goa, what is our aim? Our aim is to provide easy and cheap transportation to the people of Goa. It is for that reason, even against some opposition, I have introduced electrical bus services. KTC bus services operate from Dabolim Airport. What was most lacking? I am grateful to Utkarsh Dawale for launching Goa Miles again from Dabolim Airport. It's the most important moment for Dabolim Airport. If some people do not realize it at this moment, they will realize after some time. They are forgetting also that Mopa Airport is going to be a reality come December, only less than 2 months. We have to move with the times. And when such things are there are enough people to misguide, misinform, instigate and create trouble. I am not bothered about anything. I am interested in cheap transportation being provided, reliable transportation being provided, taxis being provided on app base to the people of Goa and those traveling and coming from the Dabolim Airport who are moving to and fro. I simply want to say one thing. People are worried, Dabolim Airport, whether it will survive or not. I want to say, with all the emphasis, Dabolim has come to stay. I have in fact on my visit to Mopa Airport made it very clear. In fact, tomorrow also there is a meeting with Honorable Chief Minister. We have been deliberating it again and again, how to combine the synergies of both the airport. And what is bad, one airport is going to be there in the south of Goa, Dabolim Airport, which people are already used to for so many years, and you will have another international airport operated by the private sector, the GMR group, in Mopa, that is in Penne Taluka. So I think this will augur well for increasing the footfall of tourists coming to Goa from the airport. I know I met them this morning again. I am meeting them again and again. They get convinced. They say, we are fully with you. Then somebody misguides. They move away. The press people, some of my brothers have seen them themselves. They say, who is misguiding them? Why are they changing their mind? I simply want to say one thing. I have not gone back on any promise given to them. They wanted one counter this side, I have given them. 32 is going to be the counter, going to be given to Goa Miles. Right now they are in 31, that is a temporary thing, maybe for a week. And then as was the allocation decided with them, it will be done. They also want on the other side 26 because they say they had 2 counters. We are going to give it, so where is the difficulty? They seem to have no faith in anyone. I don't know why that is happening. आमी हिंगा आसा गोंयकारांची इंटरेस्ट प्रोटेक्ट करपाक आमकां नाका जे ऑपरेट जाताले तांकां काबार करून दुसरे हाडपाक पूण जेन्ना आयचो दीस मागता आयच्या काळार सगळे कडेन ॲप ऑपरेटेड सर्विसीस जाता टॅक्सीन कितें आसपाचें न्हू तांकां कितें डिफिकल्टी आसा समस्या आसा आमकां सांगा इनफॅक्ट म्हाका उत्कर्ष दबालेन सांगला इन ड्यू कोर्स ऑफ टायम एज एवरीथिंग पिक्स अप even 100 out of those taxis will be converted into electrical vehicles at no extra cost to the same taxi people operating at the airport. So where is the grievance? Perhaps this 100 will become 200 and 300 and more. Besides that, he wants to provide other facilities like free housing also in aligning with some other central agencies. I also have certain things in mind like a pension scheme for them, but they are still in very good books. They have even discussed with me as early as this evening at Bogmalo Panchayat. हांव तांकां एकूच सांगपाक सोदतां, तुमकां सांगलां तें आमी उतराचें पालन करतले, पूण तुमी मातशें समजून घेया, गोंयांत तरी टुरिजम उरतले, दाबोलीम एअरपोर्ट तरी उरतलो, तुमी आमचे मातशें विश्वास धरून आमचें आयकचें पडटलें. बेश्टें सांगलें ना आमी अशें एग्री जाता आनी मागीर दुसरेच वचून भायर केलें, तुमची मदत जावपाना, तुमी वयल्यान आपलेच पांयार फातर मारतले, अशें करनाका. म्हाजी एक कटकटीत विनंती, गोवा मायल्स at any cost has come to stay. हे तुम्ही समजून घ्या. गोवा मायल्स which survived even the bad times, since its being in Goa, since the time it came into Goa, thereafter it has come to stay. They have proven their worth. Many people have been missing them, and I am sure very shortly they will capture the hearts of Goans, the traveling public. More than a few people who create more noise than anything else other than the merits of the case. I am bothered about the people of Goa. I want to see that as the best transportation that is available elsewhere in the country, available elsewhere in the world, should become a true reality in Goa. That's the reason why Goa Miles is becoming a reality today. अवश्य हाडा, तुमची ॲप हाडल्यार आमी सपोर्ट करता तुमकां. वयल्यान हांवें तांकां सांगलां, केन्नासून सांगता, 1 वर्स जालें, 1.5 वर्स जालें, 2 वर्स जालें हांव सांगत आसा. आनी कोण टॅक्सीवाले तुमी ॲप हाडटा, हाडा. आज पुसान कोणा कडेन हाडून जावना. हांगाय हें फंक्शन कमेस आशिल्लें म्हणे हांव समजता बेश्टेच. एक पोलिशेन कशें जालें अशें दाखयलें की आमी ॲप हाडपाक सोदता, आमकां दिना. अरे बाबा, कॅपेसिटी आसपा जाय, बेश्टेच उलयलें म्हूण जायना. ताका लागून हांव परत एकदां एअरपोर्ट ऑथॉरिटी ऑफ इंडिया तांकांय देव बरें करूं म्हणटा, आमकां ही ॲप हांगा बसोवपाक दिली, हाडपाक दिली. आमचो उत्कर्श दबाले. अल्टिमेटली यू हॅव मेड इट अ रियालिटी. सो हें तुमी हाडला तें आमी देव बरें करून म्हणून बरे भशेन सर्वीस आमी पॅसेंजराक दिवया. आनी हांव समजता पुलिसूय हांगा तांकां सांगपाक सोदता, म्हाज्या आरटीओ आहा तांकांय सांगपाक सोदता, हे हायजॅकर्स पळय आसा इल्लिगली भायर चलयता तांकां मातशें बंद करात. सारकें बंद जावपाक जाय. आनी तें बंद जाल्यारूच तेन्ना कोणाचे बिझनस एअरपोर्टाचे ऑपरेट जाता तेंचे वचपाना आनी कन्फ्युजनूय जावपाना. कन्फ्युजन म्हणजे पॅसेंजर देंवता तेन्ना हातीन एकटो ओडटा, दुसरे हाती दुसरो ओडटा, अशें जावपाक जायना. 100 मिटर्स, 200 मिटर्स, 300 मिटर्स लोकां ट्रॉली घेवन तेंची बॅगां घेवन चलोन व्हरता, हे हायजॅकर आहा ते, आनी आमी ते पळयता. हें जावपाक बिलकूल जायना. ताका लागून परत एकदा सगळ्या हाजीर आशिल्ल्यांक काळजांतल्यान देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. देव बरें.
Honorable Transport Minister Sri Mauvin Godinho and the Airport Director Mr. Dhananjay Raoji. So today is a great moment for us as a relaunch of the Goa Mile application. And as sir has explained very well about that, in future we are going to sustain and continue this our taxi application service in aggregated mode to the all passengers of the Goan, tourists coming to the Goan and the local people of the Goa. So we are committed to serve the Goan people over here and the tourists coming to Goa in a long run. And that's what great support we are expecting from all the dignitaries and authorities going forward also. So there will be support extended from the airport authority in a long run. Since we will be having the counter number 32 in a long run, we will require their support. Thank you sir so much. Guidance on a vision on multimodal transport. None of the states so far has done this kind of initiative from a government perspective. But Sri Mauvin sir has suggested me that last time also we discussed with them, and he says I want my Goan people to have multiple choice of commutation, and that's what the first mile of the journey for any commutation, right from your home to your offices. Let's say you may choose a first mile with a taxi, auto, bike, or whatever way, and then the core mile be connected by the AC buses, and the last mile can be again by the different mode of transport. That is the vision of Sri Mauvin Godinho ji, and it's our responsibility to make it happen in terms of technology and implementing and extending it to the people of the Goa.
By when you are expecting all these things?
We are working on the couple of timelines and project timelines over here. So things will be discussed with the transport department. Once the respective agency extend their support in terms of API integration, platform integration, then the timeline can be published.